Hello dear students, hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to begin another important grammar topic, that is active passive voice. So students, there are two ways of expressing an action by using a transitive verb. Now students, look at this sentence carefully. Ram wrote a letter. A letter is written by Ram. Now students, these two sentences have the same meaning. बेटा इन दोनों ही sentences का same meaning है. These two sentences have the same meaning. They are simply two different ways of saying the same thing. एक ही चीज़ को बताने का बेटा अलग अलग तरीका है सिर्फ. Okay? They are simply two different ways of saying the same thing. Here students, in first sentence, Ram wrote a letter. The subject Ram. Okay. Here the subject Ram is the doer of the action. Therefore, the verb wrote is said to be in the active voice. And students, in second sentence, the subject a letter. A letter is the receiver of the action. So students, the verb was written is therefore said to be in the passive voice. Okay. Then students, let's move on to the active voice. Remember students that a verb is said to be in the active voice when the subject acts or performs the action. Okay, a verb is said to be in the active voice when the subject acts or performs the action. For example, Hari killed a snake, Ram writes a poem, Ram writes an essay, Lata sings a song. Okay, like this. This students, passive voice. A verb is said to be in the passive voice when the subject of the verb is acted upon or receives the action. Okay, a verb is said to be in the passive voice when the subject of the verb is acted upon or receives the action. For example, students, a poem is written by Ram, a snake was killed by Hari, a song is sung by Lata. Okay, like this students. Now students, let's move on to the steps to change the voice. Students, when a verb is changed from the active into the passive voice, then students, the object of the active verb becomes the subject. Okay, the object of the active verb becomes the subject and vice versa, and pronouns are changed as under. For example, students, I is changed into me, we is changed into us, you is changed into you, he is changed into him, she is changed into her, it is changed into it, and they is changed into them. Yes, students, when we change from active to passive voice, the object of the verb of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Remember this point? The object of the verb of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. For example, students, Sammy washed the dishes. It's active voice. Sammy. It's subject here. Washed. Verb, the dishes, object. Okay, here the object of the verb of the active voice becomes the subject. यहाँ बेटा हम इसको किस में चेंज कर देंगे? सब्जेक्ट में. जब हम इसे बेटा पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे, तो बेटा इस ऑब्जेक्ट को आप किस में कन्वर्ट कर दोगे? सब्जेक्ट में. ओके, द dishes. Then helping verb we should use were. Then third form of the verb were washed by Sammy. Okay, here remember students, the object of the verb of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Then students, tense of the verb is not changed, only its form is changed. Okay. The students, by is used with the agent of action when it helps to complete the sentence. Then students, sometimes a verb in the active voice takes two objects, a direct one and an indirect one. Then students, either of them may be used as the subject in the passive voice. Okay, then either of them, आप बेटा उन दोनों में से किसी को भी चूज कर सकते हो. Okay, either of them may be used as the subject in the passive voice. बेटा जब आप उसको passive voice में convert करोगे तो बेटा आप दोनों में से किसी भी object को चूज कर सकते हो. Then students, for example, Hari gave me a pen. It's active voice. Hari subject, gave verb, then me object here, a pen again object. Two objects are given, me and a pen. Two objects are given to you here. Then students, either of them may be used as the subject. Okay, either of them may be used as a subject in the passive voice. For example, Hari gave me a pen. I was given a pen by Hari. Okay, I was given a pen by Hari. Or students, we can write down like this. A pen was given to me by Hari. Okay, a pen was given to me by Hari. तो बेटा आप I से भी स्टार्ट करते हैं इस सेंटेंस को और a pen से भी आप इसको स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. Then students, prepositions must not be left out with verbs requiring them. For example, we must look after the child. It's active voice. Then passive voice, students, the child must be looked after by us. Okay. Then students, change the verb into past participle. Okay, change the verb into past participle. Suppose students, we can take example of present indefinite tense. Suppose students, आपको एक्टिव वॉइस गिवन है और आपको उसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करें तो बेटा आप कैसे चेंज करेंगे. बेटा इन एक्टिव वॉइस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब वी यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस एस ओ ई एस लाइक टीचर्स, रिस्पेक्ट्स वी हैव यूज्ड हियर. ओके, फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज गिवन, फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस एस और ई एस. अब आपको उसको बेटा कन्वर्ट करना है पैसिव वॉइस में. देन बेटा आपको उसको कैसे चेंज करना है. यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज एम और आर अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. बेटा अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब चूज करना है लाइक इज, एम और आर. देन स्टूडेंट्स, यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ओके, यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स, ही टीचेस मी. हाउ कैन वी चेंज स्टूडेंट्स नाउ. ही टीचेस मी, me object becomes the subject, me is changed into I. Okay, I, then it's simple present tense or we can say present indefinite tense. So students, we use helping verb am. Okay, I am. Then third form, taught. I am taught by him. Then students, next one, she respects us. Okay, she respects us. Then how can we change beta. We are respected. Third form, respected. Okay, we are respected by her. Okay, like this students, we can change in these sentences into passive voice. Okay, like this we can change active voice into passive voice. Now students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. Now students, watch this video once again and try to understand. Okay, that's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.